This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Pamela Graves. Cute home with a unique floor plan located on the west side of Hot Springs Village. This home is a 2-bedroom/2 bathroom with a 254 square feet. Screened enclosed porch and 182 square feet. Glass enclosed porch. Great investment opportunity has been leased out through the Long-Term Leasing Department for the last 10 years with same tenant. No seller's property disclosure and being sold as is. New members to Hot Springs Village are subject to a $1,500 one-time buy-in fee due at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Graves at 501-209-0284.